Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to schedule messages on WhatsApp. First, close WhatsApp and open the Google Play Store. Tap on Search and look for an app called SKEDIT. When you see it, tap Install and wait for the download to finish. Once it is installed, tap Open. When the app launches, you can sign in or simply skip this step. Now allow the app to send notifications and accept the terms so it can work properly. On the main screen, tap the plus button in the bottom right corner and choose WhatsApp. Next, the app will ask for some permissions. Tap Get Started and then check the requirements. Enable accessibility by opening installed apps, finding SKEDIT, and turning it on. After that, disable battery optimization so the app can run in the background. Once this is done, go back to the main screen. Tap the plus button again, select WhatsApp, and choose the contact you want to message. You can add a title if you want, then type the message you want to send. You also have the option to add attachments. Scroll down and set the schedule by choosing the date and time. You can also set it to repeat if needed. When everything looks correct, tap the check mark in the top right corner. Your WhatsApp message is now scheduled and will be sent automatically at the chosen time. Thanks for watching.